In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect EZVIZ H9C to Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your H9C camera from EZVIZ. To connect it to a Wi-Fi network, you will have to use the EZVIZ mobile app. So to start, download the EZVIZ mobile app from the Play Store or the App Store. Once you are inside, sign in, create your account, and now use the plus sign from the home screen or choose the option to add a device. You will be able to browse through various device types, including cameras, so choose camera from the list. Once you select cameras, you will get instructions on what to do. For the H9C, you will have to scan a QR code. So the app is going to ask you for permission to scan the QR code. Make sure that you grant it permissions. If you don't give it permissions to scan the QR code, most likely you will not be able to set up your camera. With this done, find and scan the QR code. It is usually under the actual camera itself. So if you need instructions, you can use the link here or read through the manual. But as long as you find the QR code underneath the H9C, you will be able to scan it. And once you have scanned this QR code, it is going to be added. So it will be detected here, H9C camera. Make sure that the device is powered on. So if it isn't already powered on, do so now. Plug it into a wall outlet as needed, and then tap Next. Power on the device and wait until it starts up completely. Once it has started up and you see this indicator flash blue, then you can take this option and then choose Next. If it doesn't flash blue, then use the instructions here and troubleshoot the H9C as needed. Now you will be able to connect it to a Wi-Fi network. Choose the network that you want to connect it into, input a password, and then proceed. If you need to choose another network, then use this button here, but usually it is going to choose the one that is being used on your smartphone. Give it some time, it is going to access the device. This might take a while, even up to some minutes, and you will see the progress bar like this. The network will be set up, your account will be linked, and once everything looks okay, the device will be added successfully. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.